So, good morning everyone. My name is India. I'm the CEO of this company. So, what is your plan about this product?
Alright everyone, let me introduce to you the new product launch. So this is the product.
So guys, we need to collaborate with this product. So everyone, are you agree with this plan? Yeah. So what you guys? Okay.
The market campaign is looking fantastic. We got a strong message. And we're hitting all the right channels.
We've been working for this plan and I'm excited to see it finally come to fruition.
So why not revitalize the option for your consideration?
Okay, we're using a multi-channel approach, including social media, digital advertising, and traditional media. We're also partnering with K-Influence to generate buzz. Operations. What are the key milestones we need to hit to ensure a smooth launch?
That's why I'm thinking of multi-platform approach. We'll have a strong social media presence, touchy TV commercial, and some fun events around the country. Sounds aptitude. So how we are going to manage that? So we need to make sure we have the resources and manpower to pull it out. I've already started working on motivation and we're confident we can remember it. Okay, that's good to hear. But we also need to consider the business, right? And we'll need to ensure we have enough here to meet the demand, especially during the promotion.
I already spoken with the production team. And they're confident that we can meet the demand.
Excellent. And what about the budget? We need to make sure that we're not overspending.
We've been working with the finance team and we're come up with a budget, both effective and patient.
I'm always happy to see a strong growth.
But we also need to make sure we are staying true to the San Miguel brand.
That's why we're focusing on the themes of community, togetherness, and celebration. We want to show Filipino that San Miguel Beer is more than just a drink, it's part of their lives.
This campaign needs to be authentic and listening to our target audience.
I like it. It sounds like a solid plan. Let's move forward with this promotion and make sure we're all on the same page. Great. I'm confident that this promotion will be a success. It's gonna be a big year for San Miguel. I'm excited to see it come to life. Okay, I'm glad for guys for appearing first today.
Thank you everyone. So let's congratulate ourselves for the successful meeting.
May Pasko pa, sabi ko sa sarili, pas ako. Bare months na diba, bakit parang Pasko'y tapos na? Ang dati, nagkalat ang palamuti. Ngayon tao sa malls ko konti, walang madlang magmamadali. Papasko ba, parang sa nakararami. Ang tanong ay may pagkain ba, may trabaho pa ba? Hindi man pero darating ng Pasko, tara, kakanta tayo. Kahit walang Noche Buena, basta meron kang pamilya.